Hi guys, here's a quick open box review and quality test for this Treedix Servo Tester, including a flathead screwdriver and also a pair of the servo tester. Here's a flathead screwdriver, very handy. You can use it to put those line on the blue terminal for power. You also has a USB-C power terminal and 2-channel 3-wire servo connector. And here's a pair of Treedix linear servo tester. It's a perfect square size, about a 1.5 inch on each side. It weighed about 14 gram, very consistent. There's a unit also weighted at 14 gram. I'm gonna use this micro linear servo GS1502. It's even smaller than a US quarter. I can power by the USB-C connector using the battery power. Make sure you put those 3 wires on. Remember, the brown is the negative, red is positive, and the yellow is the S. I'm gonna use the power through the power line with the 5 volts through this blue terminal. I'm gonna use the flathead screwdriver to put the power line on without using the USB-C connector, and also put those servo on. There are 3 modes. You can see right now we're on the sweeping mode, automatic sweeping mode, so the linear servo sweeping back and forth. And the first mode is manual mode. You can see the first LED on, and also 5.0 shows the driver voltage. And you can also put this second button, gonna give you the neutral mode. So overall, it's pretty good quality. It's served what I need, 5 stars.